everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, August the 26th. Well, a change of trend today, and we have a change of the first time frame trend from up to down. The candle today has a lower high and a lower low, which means that the previous trend is terminated and a new downtrend is in place. Unfortunately for the bears, that downtrend has begun on a candle that isn't bearish. So it raises some doubt about the ability of this trend to continue to the downside. Now, just looking back at the candle again, we have a very small body with a long shadow on either end, and that's another one of those spinning top type candles, which means indecision in the market. It means that in that battle between the bulls and the bears throughout the day, neither side has won the battle. So we've seen that all of the bullishness that we had in the market has evaporated, but we're not seeing any bearishness coming into the market either. So we have to consider that even though we do have a first time frame downtrend, we need to really wonder whether this downtrend will continue on its way. And that means that the high and the low of the current candle become very important for this market. If the high is taken out, then we'll probably see this price retest the resistance levels, firstly at the swing high of the previous upswing in the first time frame at about 1037, and then we have this 1040 and 1044 area, and we want to see a solid close up above 1044, and I mean a solid bullish close up above there for the market to continue appreciating. To the downside, we have the previous resistance level at 1018. We need to watch that, for it could turn into potential support for this market. We need to look at how this market reacts if it does trade down to there. Now, we need to remember that the trend is down though in the first time frame, so the likelihood will be that the trend will continue down. We need to keep an eye on the low of the current candle for the downtrend to continue. If that potential area of support is taken out, then we have the support at the Tenkan-sen to consider, and that's at 1008. And the Tenkan-sen has actually turned flat, and that tends to be an attractor of price action when it turns flat. We also have the 1000 level, which can offer potential support, so round numbers, potential support or resistance levels, and then at the Kijun-sen at 992, and then down at this previous major swing low at 980, and then all the way down here, or there's another area just here where we had upside price rejection on the way up in the second time frame uptrend, 968, and then at the cloud, which is a long way away, roughly around 930 or so. So for this market, if the market does trend down, there are a lot of areas where it can hold up as support. So the downside risk is limited, where we can find support at those areas. Upside, we have the area of resistance that we identified at 1044. So I think we just need to be patient, wait and see how this market develops, bearing in mind that we are trending down on a very indecisive candle.